In an era where the dynamics of warfare are rapidly evolving, understanding China's missile capabilities is imperative for India's national security. The sheer scale and sophistication of China's missile arsenal present a formidable challenge. Unlike traditional conflicts that predominantly relied on boots on the ground, modern warfare begins with a barrage of missiles that can disrupt an adversary's infrastructure before any troops are deployed. This paradigm shift necessitates a comprehensive evaluation of India's strategic defenses against the growing missile threat from China. China's possession of over 200 conventional missile launchers, positioned strategically along its borders with India, highlights a critical geopolitical challenge. The intention behind these deployments is clear: to assert pressure on India not just through military might, but as a means of political coercion. The concept of coercive deterrence, central to China's missile doctrine, dictates that by threatening devastating strikes on essential infrastructure, China can manipulate India's strategic decisions even before a conflict escalates. This compels India to reassess its defensive tactics to counter such coercive strategies effectively. To respond to this missile challenge, India must invest in enhancing its technological capabilities and military preparedness. This involves advanced missile defense systems capable of intercepting and neutralizing incoming threats, developing indigenous technologies, leveraging collaborations for defense technology, and strengthening intelligence capabilities are vital steps. Additionally, conducting joint military exercises and enhancing strategic partnerships with allies can bolster India's deterrence posture against any Chinese aggression. Furthermore, fostering public awareness regarding national defense initiatives will ensure societal support for these endeavors, thereby strengthening the resolve against external pressures. In conclusion, the changing nature of warfare underscores the urgency for India to confront the missile challenge posed by China. With technology driving the modern battlefield, India must align its military strategy to adapt to this new reality. By understanding the implications of China's missile capabilities and enhancing its defensive measures, India can secure its sovereignty and maintain stability in the region. As we move forward, continuous assessment and innovation will play critical roles in ensuring that India is prepared not just to defend, but to deter any aggression effectively.